Right, now, here's where I find out whether you're going home with 21,666 or his share just went up. You had a good night tonight. You put 15 grand in, a couple of trips to the red area. We will forget about those. Focus on this, the last question of the night for you. Here it is. Who plays the title role in the BBC drama series Merlin? Is it Chris Fountain, Jamie Bell, or Colin Morgan? Do you watch Merlin?
Every Saturday.
Oh, good.
But I don't know what the answer is.
Oh.
Made in Wales, Morgan's Welsh. Chris Fountain. Chris Fountain.
Are you saying you would like me to take Chris Fountain as your answer?
It's a pure guess, Dale. Yes. Please.
I accept your answer, Chris Fountain. I don't know either, so we're going to find out together. I'm hoping it's Chris Fountain. Is it Chris Fountain? Colin Morgan. I'm so sorry. Terry, it's been lovely to meet you. Safe journey home.
Thank you. Best of luck.